What if I told you you never have to pay for AI tools again? No subscriptions, no internet, and no data leaks. Google has just launched Gemma 4, which is one of the most powerful open source AI models right now. You can run this model locally on your laptop and even on your mobile phone, and that too without internet access. Also, there is no need to pay any fees to any company. You can use this model to build the application, to build websites, or get almost anything done. And the craziest part is, guys, it's beating models 20 times its size on benchmark. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you are into AI, DevOps, or building cool projects and preparing for different exams, then this video is going to blow your mind. Today I will show you how to download Gemma 4 on your mobile phone, how to run Gemma 4 locally on your mobile phone, and we will compare it with paid models like ChatGPT and Claude.ai. And trust me guys, the results might surprise you. Let's get started. So this right here is Gemma 4, Google's latest open source AI model, and honestly guys, it's incredibly powerful for something you can run locally. It comes with some really advanced capabilities. For example, it supports agentic workflows, which means it can actually perform multi-step tasks and automate processes for you. It also has multimodal reasoning, so you are not limited to just text. You can give it images, audio, or documents, and it can understand and work with all of them. On top of that, guys, it supports more than 100 languages, which makes it useful for a global audience. And if you want to go deeper, you can even fine tune the model based on your own data or specific use cases, whether you are building apps, automation, or custom AI tools. But the best part is, guys, no data is sent to the cloud. Everything runs directly on your device, and that means it's completely private and secure. Now let's check what kind of configurations you need to have to run Gemma 4 model on your local machine. So guys, this is the website olama.com where you can check the configurations of the different models. The use of this website, it's a bit more, but for now at least you can remember that, okay, using this website you can check what are the basic requirements, the kind of configuration we need to run the Gemma 4 model, right? So if we check, you can see there are different models like Gemma 4 latest, Gemma 4 E2B, E4B, right? So if we talk about what does this E means, E for effective, and 2B means 2 billion. So it means that effective 2 billion parameter model, right? So if we talk about, let's say, what kind of model we should choose to run on the mobile phone, then 2B and 4B models would be perfect for phones or low end system. And if you go with 26B or 31B models, then those will be best for laptops and desktops. And they will be a little bit more powerful as expected, and they will give you better output as well. And even the smaller models support large context windows, so you can process long documents easily, right? So now let's see how we can install this Gemma 4 model on our mobile phone and can use it. So I'm using OnePlus. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can download and use Gemma 4 on this device. So let's start. uh, so let's go on Google Play Store. Let's search for Edge Gallery application. Okay, and you will see like Google AI Edge Gallery. Okay, so the size of this is only 10 MB. I have already installed it, so I'm just going to click on open. So as soon as you open this application, you will see this kind of screen. Okay, and then you have different options to play with, like AI chat, ask image, audio scribe. So we are going to see this one by one. Okay, so once I click on AI chat, it will tell us now like which model you want to use. Like as we discussed earlier, there are different models in Gemma 4 like E2B, E4B, right? You need to pick one and you will have to download this model. So you can see the size of this model is 2.5 GB. Then for E4B, it is 3.6 GB. So I have already downloaded this E2B model whose size is 2.5 GB. So that's why I'm seeing your option of try it instead of download. You need to download it first, right? And then we can try it. You need to click on proceed anyway, right? So now I'm in that console, you can say. Okay, so now see guys, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off my internet and I will keep my mobile phone into the flight mode as well. So let's click. Okay, so I'm going to turn off my Wi-Fi, and also I will keep my mobile phone into the aeroplane mode, right? So you can see mobile phone is into the flight mode. Now what we will do is we'll simply say like give me information about Taj Mahal in 4 to 5 lines. It's not mandatory to write this 4 to 5 lines. I just want to keep this video short. See guys, now it has started giving us the detailed information. Okay, and this is happening without internet and without any network, and that too on your local machine. Okay, right, we got this information, so you can use this whether you are traveling in flight, whether you are traveling on in train. Okay, so you can use this stuff. Right, now what I will do is I will simply write uh, give me the roadmap to become full stack. Let's see what we are going to get here. Right, see, so this is what now we are getting the complete detailed roadmap how we can become a full stack developer as well. So you can use this for all this stuff. You can use the, if you are a college student, you can use this to solve all the mathematical problems as well. If you are fresher, you are building any project, you can use this to get the code to build the application, to build website. If you are experienced, you can use this to get the information, or use to you can use it to build different templates, pipelines, all the stuff. And let's say if you are preparing for the competitive exams, you can use this as a reference to study and get the information to prepare short notes and all those stuff. Right, so it is giving us the detailed information. Right, so this is one stuff, this is one of the option, AI chat, which we have. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pause this because it is giving me all the detailed information. I want to show more stuff to you. I'm just going to pause it. Now let's say I want to show you one more thing. If you write give me information about Taj Mahal, now right now it's giving us directly the information. But let's say if you want to see what is happening in backend, what exactly this model is thinking, right? So if you want to see it, then you just need to click on this stuff. Right, so you can increase the tokens as well, and you have the option of enable thinking. If you click on this and you just save it, and let's say I'm going to type again, give me information about Taj Mahal. Right, so it will now tell us like how this model is thinking in backend. Right, so it's trying now to analyze the request, then determining the key information, right, and then it will give us the solution. So you can use this as well. Let's say if you want to build some kind of AI models by your own, you can use this as a reference and build your own strategy too. Okay, so it's still showing all those stuff, what it's thinking in backend. Right, and then it will give us the information about what Taj Mahal is all about. Okay, so we'll wait for few seconds. Right, now see, it has gathered all the information. It is doing the review stuff and the final polish as well. Okay, so now it will start giving us the final output. See guys, now this is what earlier we were not seeing this backend stuff. Right, now it is giving us all the information. Okay, so I'm just going to stop this. I'm going to pause this information because I want to show other stuff as well. Now let's go back. Okay, and let's go back. We have another stuff. It is like ask image. Okay, so we can use this. We can upload any image in real time as well and ask to get the information based on that. And guys, again I'm showing you my mobile phone is on flight mode. Okay, so I'm going to click on ask image, and we will so see, it is again asking me to download the model, but since we have already downloaded the model when we were using AI chat option, so we just need to click on try it. You need to download this only once. Okay, it's not like every time you will have to download 2.5 GB, 2.5 GB. No, it's the one time activity. Overall it will be only taking 2.5 GB. So if I click on try it, right, so I just need to give the prompt. Okay, so or else, so what we are going to do is now we will share one image with this model, and we will see if it's able to give us the information or not. So I have this one iPhone with me. I will take the image. Okay, so I will click on take the picture, and let's see. So I'm going to click on this. Right, will ask give me information about this image. Let's see whether we will get the information or not. Right, now see, it has started thinking. It's doing the complete analysis in backend, and then it will give us the information. It's doing the complete analysis, guys. So in same way, you can upload any kind of problem statement, any image carrying the problem statement details, right, any use case, and you can get the solution from this option. Right, now see, it has started giving us the complete details based on the image provided. Here is the detailed description. Key elements, the smartphone, it appears to be the modern iPhone model, right? So this is iPhone. It has detected it properly. Okay, color, feature, condition, everything it's able to detect. And it has also detected my hand, right? So it's giving me all the details like actions, okay, composition and background, everything. So you can try this option as well. Okay, so there is one more option which we have is like, apart from ask image, we have audio scribe option. So again, you just need to click on try it. So here I'm going to give one audio. Let's say what we will do here is we will give one audio and we will see if it's able to give us the detailed information or not. Okay, so I am a fresher and I want to build my career as a cloud engineer. Could you please give me the good roadmap? Let's see if we can get the output now. So see guys, now again it has done the complete analysis, and it's going to give us now the complete roadmap as well. Okay, so it's telling us to start with the fundamentals first. So that's going to be our phase one. Okay, it's giving us complete details, right? So guys, this is very useful tool. Again, there is no Wi-Fi, there is no network, right? So this is going to be a pretty good tool for you guys to use it, because on other tools we need to pay the subscription stuff and all those stuff. It's pretty smooth, it's working very fastly. Okay, so that's it. It has given us the complete roadmap now, right? So you can explore this option as well. So in this way, you can try and play with this Gemma 4 model on your mobile phone itself, right? We have another option like agent skills, right? Prompt lab, you can explore this. But the options of AI chat, ask image and audio scripts are going to be very helpful for all of us, so you should definitely try this. So now let's compare how Gemma 4 and Claude.ai responds to the exact same prompt. Remember guys, Gemma 4 works free and offline, while Claude.ai may require a subscription due to its limitation. So I'm going to give same prompt on Gemma 4 and Claude.ai. Let's give the prompt. So we will ask this model to give us some information about Docker and Kubernetes. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so both the models have given the response, right? And it seems pretty good. So yeah, so in this way, I hope you might have got the answer now with which model you can go ahead. That's all for now. If you have any doubts, please add it into the comment section. And if you found this video really helpful, then like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.